Admit it, your house could be cleaner. Whether you regularly clean your home or only tidy things up before guests arrive, knowing a few quick and easy tricks can make the process a whole lot easier. Before we begin this video, don't forget to subscribe our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss our new videos. You don't even have to wait for spring to clean everything up. All you need is a couple of tricks that can help save you some time and frustration. Here are some tips to make your home spotless. Remove a tough stain from carpet using an iron. You will need ammonia, hot water, a spray bottle, a stack of clean and color-safe towels, and iron. What to do? Preheat your iron. Mix 1 part ammonia and 1 part hot water. Spray the mixture onto the carpet stain and put a clean towel on top of it. Place the hot iron on the towel and move it around slowly. This is done to avoid singeing the carpet. Spray more of the mixture on the stain and repeat the process. You might need a few more towels depending on how hard the stain is to remove. Whiten your old yellow pillows easily. You will need powdered laundry detergent, powdered dishwasher detergent, and borax. What to do? Check to see if your pillow is washable, then remove the pillowcase or the pillow protector. Bring a large pot of water to boil. Stir in 1 cup of powdered laundry detergent, 1 cup of powdered dishwasher detergent, and ½ cup of borax. Stir until everything dissolves. Pour this mixture into a container large enough for you to soak your pillows in and 1 cup of bleach. Let your pillows soak in this mixture for 30 minutes. Don't forget to flip them halfway through. Then run the pillows through a full wash cycle in a washing machine. Use frozen vinegar lemon cubes to remove the smell from your garbage disposal. What to do? Place a small chunk of lemon into each ice cube mold, then fill them with white vinegar and freeze. Drop a few of the frozen cubes onto your running garbage disposal. Whiten your clothes without using bleach. You will need water, lemon juice, and hydrogen peroxide. What to do? Mix 12 cups of water, 1/4 cup of lemon juice, and 1 cup of hydrogen peroxide in a large container. Add 2 cups of the mixture to each load of laundry. Give your shower head a vinegar bath. For regular cleaning, attach a plastic bag with vinegar to a shower head and let it soak for 30 to 60 minutes. Twice a year, disassemble the shower head and soak all the parts in vinegar to disinfect and remove bacteria. Get your stove burner spotlessly clean. You'll need a gallon-sized Ziploc bag and ammonia. What to do? Pour some ammonia into the Ziploc bag, place a stove part in there and seal it. Repeat with the other dirty parts. Let the bag sit overnight. The next morning, you will notice that the gunk from the parts will be floating in the bag. Remove the parts from the bag and wash them with a soapy sponge. Use paper towels and white vinegar to clean the rim of the toilet bowl. You will need white vinegar and paper towels. What to do? Soak the paper towels in vinegar. Tuck the towels up under the rim of your toilet bowl. Let them soak for a few hours, then remove the paper towels and scrub the rim clean.